Today is such an exciting day. We are beginning the installation of Potter's brand new K-2 playground, and so we're excited about this new addition to the school. Their current playground is 20 years old, believe it or not. The warranties expired and the fun has certainly expired on that playground, and so we are keeping our promise to the community.
Thank you everybody that gave us this new playground, because it probably has the things that I want.
I'm so excited because it's fun and it's happy, and I'm glad everyone let us get this playground.
First example of what we're doing with the tax referendum dollars, making an impact in students' lives, just one school, one project at a time, and so we're excited to make these kids happy today.
All of us here at Potter Elementary are really excited and proud and grateful that the community has come together to give back to our kids. So with that half-penny tax referendum, we're able to get a new playground. So we really appreciate that. Having the opportunity to come out and play at recess really helps our kids. One, it helps with their attendance because they can come and enjoy school. They have the opportunity to socialize with their friends and talk with their friends. They learn teamwork skills because they have to learn how to manage conflict when they're out on the playground, and how do we continue to work as a team. They have the opportunity to let out a lot of energy. We're a Leader in Me school, and one of the 7 habits is habit 7, and it's called Sharpen the Saw. Being strong in health, mind, and body, and when we come out and exercise, we get that part about the body.
Thank you for giving us a new playground.